Good morning children. Welcome to the 7th standard social science class. Today we are going to revise the lesson resources. Do you remember children, last week we have learned the importance of resources and the types of natural resources. Okay. Are you all ready children? Anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs is called resources. Natural resources are resources that exist without action of humankind. What are our basic needs? Yes, you are correct. Natural resources satisfying daily needs of man such as food, clothing and shelter. Natural renewable resources. A renewable resources is a resources which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Solar energy. The sun produces energy in the form of heat and light. Solar energy is not harmful to the environment. Photovoltaic device or solar cells directly convert solar energy into electricity, thus supplying the electricity energy to the residential dwellings. On the same basis, solar water heater converted the cold water into hot water. Kamudi Solar Power Project is one of the largest solar project in the world. It is situated in Ramanathapuram district in Tamil Nadu. Wind energy. Wind power is clean energy. The wind turbines of the windmills are rotated by the wind, thus converting the wind energy into electrical energy. Tamil Nadu has become a leader in a wind power in India. At Kanyakumari district, Muppandal wind farm produces the total capacity of 1500 megawatt electricity. It is the largest wind power plant in India. Hydropower. Water is considered as a great source of energy. At present, water is used for producing electricity power. Hydroelectricity is generated from moving water with high velocity and great falls with the help of turbines and dynamos. In Uttarakhand, The Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India. It is generated 2400 megawatt electricity. Mettur Dam in Tamil Nadu generates about 120 megawatt electricity. Not renewable resources. Natural resources that once consumed and cannot be replaced is called non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources are the types of resources that are composed of metals. For example, iron, copper, gold, bauxite, silver, manganese, etc. Non-metallic resources can be described as the resources that do not comprise of metals. For example, mica, gypsum, limestone, dolomite, phosphate, etc. Fossil fuel resources. Fossil fuel resources are normally formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. Fossil fuel resources are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Coal is the most abundantly found fossil fuel that forms when dead plant matter is converted into peat. The leading coal producer of the world is China. Petroleum is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal area. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Thank you, children.